Hi, I'm Jim Elser, Sweet Smoke Q. Today, we're gonna make some bacon, sun-dried tomato stuffed jalapenos. All right, first thing we're gonna do with these stuffed jalapenos, slice them lengthwise and de-seed them. Once we de-seed these, we're gonna make the filling for them. Some chopped bacon, some sliced scallions. We're gonna dice up some sun-dried tomatoes. We're gonna finely chop some basil to put in there. Mix it up really good. A little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. We want that sharpness because that cream cheese is sweet. We want the sharpness of the cheddar cheese. And then I got a trick for you. I'm gonna add the Ziploc bag, cut the end off, and then squeeze it right in the jalapenos. We're gonna place the jalapenos on this rack. I like to use the rack because it's easy to move one rack than individual jalapenos off the grill. We're gonna sprinkle some more of that cheddar cheese on there. We're gonna place the jalapenos in the grill at 325. These should take about 20-25 minutes, depending on the size of your jalapenos. What you're looking for is a tender jalapeno. You don't want it too crunchy, you don't want it too soggy. We're gonna chop up some cilantro and dice up some tomatoes, and we're gonna put them on these awesome looking jalapenos and invite the neighbors over because it's gonna be one hot party.